AI is changing everything, including how online stores are built and scaled. Today, I'll show you exactly how to launch an e-commerce website using AI with tools like ChatGPT and others to automate tasks, increase conversions, and drive sales. If you've ever wanted to start an online store but felt overwhelmed, AI now makes it easier than ever. Let's dive deep. First challenge of starting an online business is deciding what to sell. Instead of spending hours researching, use AI. ChatGPT can analyze trends, find high-demand products, and even suggest underserved markets. Just ask, what are some trending e-commerce niches with low competition? You'll get a lot of data-driven insights instantly, cutting out the guesswork. Step 2. Naming your store and securing the right domain. Your store's name isn't just a label, it's the foundation of your brand. But there is a problem. Most people settle for whatever .com domain is available, even if it's too long, too generic, or forgettable. That's a big mistake. A .store domain is built specifically for e-commerce. The moment someone sees your website on a .store, they instantly know you are selling something. No guesswork, no confusion, just a direct signal that drives higher trust, more clicks, and better conversions. And here is the proof. Websites using .store domains get up to 87% more traffic and 2 times higher rankings on Google. Why? Because search engines and customers alike recognize that .store means business. That's why top brands like Emirates.store, F1.store, and even Mr. Beast Store use .store domains to power their e-commerce businesses. But here's the kicker: for a limited time only, you can grab your .store domain for just 99 cents. 99 cents using my exclusive coupon code SHARKNUMBERS at checkout. This isn't just a domain, it's about setting up your business the right way from the start. Bonus: when you get a .store domain, you also unlock free access to Elevate.store plus a curated toolkit of exclusive discounts on essential e-commerce tools like Shopify, Canva, AutoDS, and more. That means you are not just getting a domain, you're getting everything you need to launch, market, and scale your business. So, if you're serious about starting your online store, don't wait. Head to www.get.store now. Use the coupon code SHARKNUMBERS at checkout and grab your unique and exclusive .store domain at a massive discount before someone else takes your perfect name. Check the links in the description and let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Setting up your AI-driven online store. With platforms like Hostinger Horizons, you don't need to code. AI tools can now generate product descriptions, create high-converting headlines, and even build your online store from scratch. I reviewed Hostinger Horizons in one of my previous videos. You can feel free to check it out. Step 4. Writing product descriptions with AI. AI doesn't just help with ideas, it helps you sell. Instead of struggling with product descriptions, ask ChatGPT to generate SEO-Optimized descriptions that highlight key benefits. Then use AI-powered A/B testing tools to see which version converts best. Step 5. Generating marketing content with AI. ChatGPT can generate Facebook and Google ad copy in seconds, create engaging product descriptions, and even script video ads. Other AI tools like Hilo, CapCut, or Find Voice can generate professional product videos without hiring a videographer. By the way, I created reviews for all of these platforms. Check them out. Step 6. Automating customer support with AI. Customer support can make or break your business. AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT-based assistants can handle 80% of common customer questions instantly, reducing the need for a full-time support team. theme. The best chatbots can be generated on Chat LLM Teams, another great platform I reviewed in the past. This not only saves money but also improves customer satisfaction by providing 24/7 responses. Step 7. AI-powered email and SMS marketing. AI-driven email and SMS marketing platforms like Go High Level can personalize messages at scale. ChatGPT can generate high-converting email sequences for abandoned carts, customer onboarding, and promotions, all in minutes. Step 8. AI-powered pricing and upsells. AI can now optimize your pricing strategy in real time. AI pricing tools analyze competitor pricing, customer demand, and conversion rates to set the ideal price point. You can also automate upsells and cross-sells, recommending products based on customer behavior. Step 9. Scaling with AI-powered ads. Running ads manually is outdated. AI ad tools analyze millions of data points to optimize your campaigns in real time, ensuring you get the best return on ad spend. Whether it's Facebook, Google, or TikTok ads, AI removes the trial and error. Step 10. Testing, scaling, and refining with AI. Once your store is live, AI can continuously test, refine, and scale your strategy. AI-powered analytics tools track every visitor's behavior, identify drop-off points, and suggest optimizations. This means you're always improving without manually crunching numbers. AI has completely changed how e-commerce works. With the right tools, you can start a business, automate operations, and scale faster than ever. If you're ready to launch, step 1 is securing the right domain. Head to www.get.store and grab your perfect .store domain at a discount before it's gone. Use my coupon code. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how will you use AI in your store. I'm done for now. I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.